So evidently this wheel here has got a good bit of stuff laying in it, and this is a pretty simple one. They really have two styles of wheels. They have the ones that have the screws holding the back plate on, and they have these which snap together. And this really just pops right off there. If you stick a screwdriver in there to get it started, it'll snap off. And this is what we got rattling around in there. Now, this is a bad thing because it's going to put this wheel out of balance once all that stuff moves to one side. And it's also going to make the wheel heavier, especially when it was wet. You know, there's probably water laying in here. So if this is wet, it's of course going to make that wheel motor struggle to be able to turn the wheel. Might not be a real big struggle, you know, nothing you're going to see with your bare eye, but this is going to take a toll on that wheel motor because it's spinning all that extra weight for however long it takes for you to get around to cleaning this wheel out. So anytime you have the wheel off, or anytime you're doing your cleanup to your machine, make sure to take your rear wheel off. That's a mouthful there. Your rear wheel, and take the back plate off of it and clean all that out and lighten that load up on that wheel motor.